Have you been getting strange texts claiming to be from Jefferson Capital Systems? You're not alone, and you should be very careful. Jefferson Capital Systems is a real and legitimate debt collection agency in the U.S., known for buying old or charged-off debts from original lenders. However, recently there's been a flood of suspicious texts and emails supposedly from them, and a lot of people are sounding the alarm. Some of these messages mention debts that don't even appear on your credit reports, ask for sensitive information like your social security number, or are clearly intended for someone else altogether. On Reddit and other online forums, users are sharing their experiences with aggressive and manipulative messages, and there's growing concern that some of these could even be linked to zombie old debts that are either already paid off or legally expired. To make matters worse, scammers are now impersonating real companies like Jefferson Capital Systems to trick people into giving up personal information or making payments. If you get a message like this, it's extremely important not to click any links, not to reply, and definitely not to share any personal details. Instead, check your credit report through trusted sources like Experian or Credit Karma to verify if the debt is even real, and make sure to block and report the sender. Just because the message mentions a real company doesn't guarantee it's legitimate. Stay cautious, stay informed, and protect yourself from falling into these traps.